Hello. So, in the last video, we talked a little bit about EC2 instance. Now, let's launch our first instance, shall we? So, we're gonna click on this launch instance. Let's see. So, it is asking for a name. So, let's say YT test. If I can spell correctly. Okay, test. Now, it is asking which machine do you want? You want Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, whatever you want. Let's go with Ubuntu right now. And only two machines are available, okay, in free tier. So there are a lot of them, Ubuntu Server Pro, in which there are, more computational powers, deep learning. If you want to do, you can, rent these kind of machines. We will see that in later on. Now, okay, you selected the Ubuntu machine. Now, the architecture, you want the ARM architecture or the 86, whatever you want, you can click on that. It is free. T2 micro. Well, we will understand this in later video, but for now, just understand that T2 is a generation. T2, T3, T4, these are generations, and micro is, I will explain that in the later video. Okay, so now key pair login. So okay, in key pair, actually this is the password. Okay, so we can just create a new key pair. They're asking for RSA or this ED. We can just go for the default type. .pem, well, this is the file format, so this is recommended, the PEM file. So just create. Oh, okay, let's just give any name. It shouldn't be same as the name of the instance. So it is downloaded. All right, we will use that later. Network. Okay, auto assign, enable, it's okay. Firewall. So create a security group or select existing security group. Right now we haven't talked about security group yet, so just create a security group. It will create a default securities for okay, allow SSH traffic from. So we want to allow right now from SSH or HTTP. We can also do HTTP as well, that's okay. So we can access that machine directly from the terminal or from the website. This means that okay, 8 GB GP3, that's okay. 8 GB. All right, advanced details we will get into that. Right now we just click on the launch instance because we just want to see the machine right now. Okay, and it just created. You see how fast that was. Instance running, and it is still initializing. So okay, so you can see the availability zones. AP South, we have talked about availability zones. This, all availability zones have their own code names, right? So for example, my server is right now, for example, in Mumbai. So in Mumbai, the name of Mumbai is AP South, and inside Mumbai there are various data centers, right? So AP South 1, AP South 2, AP South 1A, 2A, 3A, whatever. So these is the code word for that. Okay, and this is basically the machine is created. Now we want to access it, right? And we will see that in the next video, because there are two types. We can access that from the Windows machine. We can also access this machine from a Linux as well. Okay, so I will see you in the next one.